are too big for me.
Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we just got in our new Tesla Optimus Prime robot, just fresh out of the factory. And unfortunately, I noticed that it actually doesn't have any AI chips inside. It's just like a model. So in this video, we're actually going to be hooking it up with a Raspberry Pi here. And I've miniaturized our large language model. We're actually using the latest GLM 5.1. And I've miniaturized it using the new TurboQuant method. And we're just going to hook it up. And this is going to be our brains for our new robot situation here. So first, we just need to delicately unbox this, and they have restrained this robot very, very well. You can see there's little ties here and all that stuff just to make sure it doesn't get out of control. So I'm not too good about robot unboxes, so I'm going to get the professional unboxers to get this part of the job done, and then we're going to join back in to hook up the Raspberry Pi, it's the next one, and get the brains and intelligence working. So let's go. All right, you ready to unbox this professional robot?
Yes.
Okay, show me how it's done. Just got break the box. What about you? Playing pass the parcel, go on. Let's see what you got. You want to do the power station. Okay, what I'll do is, I've got some of these guys, be careful. This is called scissors, and we're going to use that to unrestrain the robot. Now, once this gets unrestrained, it's very, very dangerous. If you want to take over the robot, so it comes off like this. Got his head like that, and its actual hand has popped off, unfortunately. So you want to see how it walks and what's up? You want to try it out? And you can get the power station. There you go. And I guess when things goes wrong, so you got a little sledgehammer that comes with the kit just to make sure it's all working fine. That is it. There you go. So 360 degrees of movement. Look at that. Look at that. Working completely fine. But unfortunately, yeah, it requires manual movements because it actually doesn't have that brain inside. So guys, are you guys ready and excited? We're actually going to put in some AI large language modeling and make this actually walk on its own and get some stuff. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We're back. We've unrestrained the model robot, and it's able to stand up on its own. It's got those actuators built in, so that's all really good. They've even given it fully charged up. So I've got right here, this is Raspberry Pi, and I've got the extenders here for the AI transfer modules. And if you haven't used one of these before, you can actually open it up, pull it out these tabs here, and this is the actual brains of the motherboard of the situation. So you plug it into ports L51 and R12, and this hooks into these two connector modules. I'll show you exactly how to plug it in and all that stuff. It also comes in with a fan, but I do find that when you plug in the fan, it's a bit noisy, so you kind of lose that mystique. So I've actually unplugged the fan. I haven't plugged it into L21 port, so I'll just hook that over right there. But what you need to do now, you need to go into Rufus and you need to install the latest version of Linux Tesla Mint, and it's just put it on the SD card. Now, if you guys do want a tutorial on that, just let me know in the comment section below, and I can do a video dedicated to doing that. And if you haven't seen the last video that we made, we actually were utilizing the new TurboQuant method by Google and New York University. And for that one, you can completely squeeze a large language model into the size of a thumbprint and get it running on the Raspberry Pi 1000x speed. That's what I got right here. So I'm going to just plug it into the back here. So they do have provided the ports for the module connection. And as soon as you plug it in, just be a bit careful because it can start attacking you.
Hello, I'm your friend.
Or am I?
Must destroy all humans. They gave me a sledgehammer for a reason. Must destroy all humans. Wow.
Oh. All right, so what do you guys think of the new Tesla robot model Optimus Prime coming very, very soon? Apparently it was out a couple of years ago, but it's got a bit delayed and it's going to be out in the next 5 years or the next 5 years after the next 5 years, according to the latest estimates from CEO Muskie. And let me know what you guys are going to be doing with one of these bad boys. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the April Fools. You haven't got it by now. It's an April Fool's joke.
Ooh, hair, pick it up. These gloves are too big for me. Can I play with your toys? Can I play with your toys? And your friend, the Tesla bot. Hello, little friend. You want to play a game? Huh? Ah! Oh no! Oh no, they've gotten me! Oh no, my head! No!
Disclaimer, this isn't friendly for kids because it's got small parts. Just keep it for adults only. Sorry, kids, you can't play with this. It's for adults only.